let us discuss about the electrolysis of water. The process in which electricity is passed through the water to form back hydrogen gas and oxygen gas is called electrolysis of water. All of we know that hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water, but here water molecule is decomposes. Water molecule is decomposes by passing electricity through it. Here it is a decomposition reaction where electricity is used as an external energy. So this is water, the reactant, electricity passed through it, it forms hydrogen and oxygen gas. So this is electrolysis process. Now let us discuss about the electrolysis process. Let us take a mug, make 2 holes at the bottom and put 2 carbon electrode here. Put 2 carbon graphite rod here. These are graphite rod. These are graphite rod. Now these 2 graphite rods or carbon rods are connected to a 6-pole battery. So this is shorter one is negative, longer one is positive. So that means this electrode is called cathode, and this electrode is called anode, which is positive. Anode is positive, cathode is negative. Now let us take water in this mug, and the water should be mixed with sulfuric acid. We are taking water mixing with sulfuric acid. Now why we use the sulfuric acid? Because it will increase the conductivity of water. Take 2 test tubes. Let us take 2 test tubes. Let us take 2 test tubes, fill up this test tube with water and invert over these 2 electrodes. You will find that water will be up to the above level of this inside the test tube also. Now let us switch on. Suppose somewhere here the switch is there, we will switch on. When you switch on, electricity will pass through this circuit. Since sulfuric acid is mixing with water, so it becomes a good conductor of electricity. So when you switch on, electricity will pass through it. After some time, we will observe that water level in the test tube coming down. Water level coming down, and we will observe the bubbles inside it. We will observe the bubbles inside it, and water level will coming down. If you observe minutely, you will find that water level in the cathode, that means the test tube which is above the cathode, is little bit more. The gap above it, water level will coming down more in the test tube which is above the cathode than that of the anode, and it seems to be it is double in the cathode than that of the anode. So the gas in the cathode is hydrogen gas, and the oxygen gas will be collected above the anode. We will observe after some time that hydrogen gas will be collected at the top of the test tube which is above the cathode, and oxygen gas will be collected at the top of the test tube which is above the anode. Now how can you come to know that these gases are hydrogen and oxygen gas? We have to do a test. What test we will do? When you bring a burning candle near the hydrogen, you will find that the gas will catch the fire, because hydrogen is highly combustible. It is highly combustible. The gas will catch the fire, and you will listen a sound. It will produce a pop sound and catch the fire, because hydrogen is highly combustible gas. But when you bring a burning candle near the oxygen gas, the gas will help in glowing the candle flame more. It will glow the flame more. So from this activity we are proving that, we have proved already that water is formed by hydrogen and oxygen. Water molecule can be decomposed by passing electricity through it to its component hydrogen and oxygen. So this process is called electrolysis of water. Thank you.